Hello everyone, I'm Navneeta here. I'm standing right in front of NIT, the Narula Institute of Technology, a private institution under JIS Group, offering various courses in BTech, MTech, BBA, BCA and even MCA. We are a NAC A accredited and NIRF ranked institution under MACOUT, the government of West Bengal. And if you want to know more about this college, let's dive into the video.
Hey, myself Sija Shen from Mechanical Department. Now I am studying in Narula Institute of Technology. It is an AICTE approved autonomous college under MACOUT University. I have came here from Jalpaiguri because this college is very well equipped with mechanical lab with great faculty members.
Hello, I am Momita Ghosh. I am currently pursuing MTech in Electrical Engineering Department from this institute. There are lots of research facilities present in Electrical Engineering Department, and I have published many research papers on electrical engineering.
Hello, I am Tawanna Azad Tripti and I am from Tripura. So while opting for a college for civil engineering department out of the state, I could believe on JIS group other than any other institute. So here I am pursuing my BTech in civil engineering, and despite being a core student, I have secured 3 placements in 3 particular core departmental institutes or companies. And talking about the faculties and academics that has been given to us in the past 3 years of our academic life, all the teachers have been very helpful and has given us total assistance throughout the whole period of time.
सो हेलो, मैं प्रशांत कुमार हूँ। उत्तर प्रदेश बनारस से वेस्ट बंगाल नरुला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ। यहाँ मैंने इसलिए आया क्योंकि यहाँ का काफ़ी अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है, पढ़ाई का भी बहुत अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है, लोग भी काफ़ी फ्रेंडली हैं। यहाँ जो एंटी रैगिंग का मैंने देखा था काफ़ी फॉलो होता है, यहाँ पे रैगिंग वगैरह का कुछ नहीं है। टीचर्स भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है। अगर आपको कहीं स्टक हो जाते हो किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट में तो आप जाके फ्रीली उनसे पूछ सकते हो बिना किसी हेजिटेशंस के।
Hello, my name is Kenny Stewart Karkangor. I'm from Meghalaya, Mopat. So I am currently here in NIT College. This place is amazing. The weather is fine in here inside the college. We have a campus, we have a football ground. So I'm very happy that I'm here. So there is no such thing as ragging here.
Subhasha Roy from CSE Data Science. I am first year student and I have came from Sikkim to join this college. This college is really beautiful. This campus is really big and the seniors are really friendly. I have really enjoyed my time here.
Hi, my name is Allu Abhishek. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I am studying in the IML Department of Narula Institute of Technology. I have found the faculty over here to be very supportive, as well as I have got a very supportive peer group. They are very understanding as well as they encourage you to push yourself forward. Also, the department and the faculty and the infrastructure over here helps you promote your soft skills as well as your technical skills to your utmost capacity.
नाम सौरभ कुमार है और मैं बिहार से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं कॉलेज क्रिकेट टीम का कैप्टन भी हूँ। और यहाँ पे क्रिकेट का बहुत ही अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, क्रिकेट का प्रैक्टिस एरिया है और क्रिकेट का बहुत सारा टूर्नामेंट भी होता है हमारे कॉलेज में। कोर्ट्स के साथ साथ एकेडमीज में भी बहुत ही अच्छा बैलेंस बना हुआ है हमारे कॉलेज में और को कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज और सभी प्रकार की एक्टिविटीज में एक बैलेंस बना हुआ है। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद रिजवान है, मैं जम्मू कश्मीर से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ और यहाँ का जो कल्चर है वो बहुत अच्छा है। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बहुत अच्छा है।
Hi, my name is Moitri and I am from Assam, studying in CSE Data Science of Narula Institute of Technology. The faculty of our college is very expert in their own fields. All the teachers are very helpful and approachable. They create a very learning and supportive environment for all the students of our college.
Vanakkam, my name is Junita Trace. I'm from CST department, third year. I've been in this college for 3 years now and it's been really helpful for me. It's helping me to hone my soft skills as well as my technical skills. Even though if you're not good in technical skills, they have a lot of opportunities in extracurricular activities where you can flourish. I flourished in designing as well as in writing. I published a book recently which the college appreciated. I hope you can also do it like I did. Thank you.
सारे नु वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। माय नेम इज अवलप्रीत फ्रॉम नरूला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैं पंजाब तो हूँ। तो यहाँ पे मेरे को एनवायरनमेंट में ये पसंद आया, बेसिकली द नेचर साइड एंड द स्टडीज आई लाइक इट।
Why we choose engineering? So in 99% cases, the first answer is placement. Training and placement cell of Narula Institute of Technology give the opportunity for IT placement as well as the placement for code domain. Since last couple of years, our students are placed in renowned IT companies like JustPay, Zscaler, TCS, CTS, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, ITC Infotech, EY. As well as they are placed in renowned core companies like Pinnacle Infotech, JSW, KEC. Now, the thing is that we train our student by in-house training in technical domain as well as we provide aptitude training as well as we provide beyond the course curriculum training. P for program, P for placement, P for practice. So practice hard, then the dream is yours.
Good afternoon. My name is Ahona Chaudhary. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in Electronic and Computer Science Engineering department at Narula Institute of Technology. Our department has provided good environment for studying and implementing energizing ideas. Our department have highly qualified faculty members and they can solve any doubt in any time. Our college provide very good placement in IT and core sector both, and they provide opportunity for government job also.
मेरा नाम कैडेट सुबी कुमारी है। मैं बिहार की बोर्ड से जिला से रहने वाली हूँ। मेरा डिपार्टमेंट मैकेनिकल है। हमारे कॉलेज में बहुत सारा सुविधा है, उनमें से एक एनसीसी है। हमारे कॉलेज में एनसीसी का एक एयर विंग भी है।
আমি অন্বেষা বিশ্বাস পূজা।
নমস্কার, আমি অভিক মণ্ডল।
আমি অন্তরা শাহ।
আমরা সবাই বাংলাদেশ থেকে এসেছি।
আমার এখানে আসার মূল কারণ হচ্ছে উচ্চশিক্ষার জন্য এসেছি।
আমি এখানে উচ্চশিক্ষার জন্য এসেছি।
আমিও এখানে উচ্চশিক্ষার জন্য এসেছি। এখনো কোনো প্রবলেম আমাদের ফেস করতে হয়নি। এছাড়া বিভিন্ন জায়গায় এতে দেখা যায় যে অনেক র্যাগিং হয়, বাট আমরা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্টুডেন্ট হিসেবে ওইরকমভাবে কোনো সমস্যার ফেস করিনি। আমাদের ফ্যাকাল্টি স্যারগুলো খুবই ভালো, আমাদের সাথে ওইরকমভাবে বিহেভ করে না যে আমরা অন্য একটা আলাদা কালচার থেকে এসেছি। তারা আমাদেরকে খুবই হেল্প করে। কোনো কিছু না বুঝতে পারলে বা কোনো সমস্যা হলে তাদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করে তারা আমাদের লাইফের সন্তানের মতো আমাদেরকে ট্রিট করে। তার জন্য আমরা সত্যি অনেক গ্রেটফুল।
যখন আমরা কোনো প্রবলেমে পড়ি না কেন, ফ্যাকাল্টি মেম্বারদের সঙ্গে কথা বললে তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সলভ করে দেয়।
My name is Antara Mishra. I am from Raigad, Chhattisgarh, currently pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Narula Institute of Technology. I chose this college because of its academic reputation, career opportunities, campus facilities, and also co-curricular activities like NCC, sports, dance, and so on.
I am Devina Goswami from CSE department. Currently, I am staying at Narula Girls Hostel. I am from Jharkhand. And I came to know about this college from my elder sister, as she got placed from this college at top companies. In this college, faculties are really so good. Even infrastructure very well maintained. Opportunities for growth are also there. Even this college provides a lot of platform where students can show their extracurricular activities. Thank you.
I'm Khushi. I'm from Odisha, currently pursuing my degree in BTech with CSBS, and we have our campus which is free from ragging. We have a very cool seniors with us who help us in everything out there. We have a campus which supports us in culture and academics as well.
I am Oindrila Mukherjee from the Electronics and Communication Department of Narula Institute of Technology. It is an autonomous private engineering college of the JIS educational initiatives. I feel lucky to be a part of this department of our institute. This esteemed Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering boasts a remarkable infrastructure, providing state-of-the-art laboratories. The faculty members are well versed in their respective subjects, thus leading to the contributions and advancements in their respective fields and helping the students to understand even the complicated topics with ease, making learning enjoyable and interesting. The faculty members are entirely actively engaged in different research works and thus helping the students to come up and participate in hands-on projects and other research works and other endeavors. The students are now actively participating in several national level hackathons organized by the government as well as other reputed educational organizations. The electronics and communication engineering is an undoubtedly evergreen field which offers job opportunities in both hardware as well as the software industries. Overall, Electronics and Communication Department of Narula Institute of Technology provides the students with skills, knowledge and golden opportunities to thrive in the rapidly evolving technically advanced world.